today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use rectangle tool in CorelDRAW to design your text cover. Let's get straight into it. Double click on your rectangle tool to activate your work page. Bring out the ruler, press P. Then divide your work page in two halves. Zoom in. Reduce your right cover page, duplicate, and then hold down Shift and press L to align to left, the duplicate to left. Create your square or rectangle. Duplicate the rectangle. Make duplicate copies, just how I am doing it here in this video. So I hold down Shift to select various rectangles or squares, and then I hold down Shift, click and drag down, and then right click to create another from the existing ones. Select from outside, reduce, let's increase to the right a little and to the bottom. Then let's get rid of the ruler. Select and delete. Okay, let's add color to it. We are working with purple today. And then press G on your keyboard to activate interactive fill tool. Add another color to it. Adjust this way or however you deem fit. Then select from outside, hold down Shift, and then go to Edit. Click on Copy Properties, check Fill, and OK it. And then select everything, right click on No Outline to get rid of the outline. Okay, bring in your pictures. Click and drag into CorelDRAW. I've shifted the author's picture to the left. And then Ctrl B to brighten or adjust the levels of any picture. Click and drag, right click, and then select power clip, and then power clip on any objects of choice. So this video, when I recorded at first, it was very long and I had to reduce it and then make the voice over thereafter because it was very long. So this is how I adjust my power clip. I hold down alternate in my keyboard. I'm using Windows, and then I click on the image. It will reveal the notes, the 6 notes or 8 notes, and then I adjust from there. This helps me and is faster for me. I don't have to go to edit. I just have to hold down alternate and then click and adjust. So if you're using Mac, you can hold down Option key. It will give you the same, it will activate the same command. I had to speed up this process because of time. Okay, let me bring this down. delete, right click, then remove frame. Please, you can slow down the video and then watch to get every aspect of it. The breakdown is not detailed, and I had to do that because of time. You go to weld, and then we have weld 4 rectangles together. Remove the interactive fill tool, give it uniform one color, purple, because we're going to add our text, the text title, the title of the textbook at the center where we welded 4 rectangles. Let's brighten that a bit. Ctrl Z. Let's create our spine first. Give it purple. Then select white for our right cover page. Let's add the title: Social Problems and Social Work. That's the title of this text. And the images, if you look at it closely, the images depict the title of the book. The images talk more about the title of the book. And then for the hand symbol, we are using Trajan Pro font. We centralize it, so the alignments we're using is center alignment for social problems, and we use same for the and symbol. Please look at the video closely, slow it down and watch at your pace. The breakdown is not very detailed, but everything is explicit, it's clear. You can ask me questions in the comment section, and if you need this CorelDRAW file, please comment nice in the comment section and I will send you the CorelDRAW file. I will be in your DM with the CorelDRAW file. Why I ask you to comment nice? So I can send you. I want to be sure you are interested, you want it. That is just it. So comment nice in the comment section and I will send you the CorelDRAW file just as it is, so you can use the templates for your project or anything of choice. So we are through with the front cover page. We are going to the back cover page. Create a rectangle, and then click and drag. After selecting your text tool, click and drag, and then copy your text. I have it handy. Then double click and paste, Ctrl V, and OK it. So the font we are using for our back cover text is Myriad Pro. Please watch closely to see how I adjust the text. It's very important. So for this tutorial, The alignment I'm going to use for the back cover is justify all through. Left alignment is good, it's not bad. Center is not bad. So in subsequent videos, I'll be using different other alignments, but for this video, we are going to use justify all through. Hold down shift, click and drag down, right click. So there are various ways to duplicate text objects in CorelDRAW, and I will make a video on that. You can copy and paste, you can click and hold shift and drag, you can use Ctrl D, various ways. Oh, I pasted about the author there. Let me change it. I'm so sorry. I tried to maintain a medium length video because I don't want to bother people with very long video, which is why the breakdown is not detailed. I am very sorry. So we are through. We are 80% through. So let's add some design to it. Hold down shift and then click and drag and right click. I should have gone to create another rectangle, but I already have one, so I duplicate it. Then get rid of the X. Right click, remove frame. Then hold down Control, right click, click left click on white to reduce the intensity of the purple. And then let's add some design to the front cover page. This video is to give you an insight or some form of inspiration on the designs you can use rectangle tool to make. In subsequent videos, I will handle other tools like the ellipse tool, any other tool I choose to use. I will use them for the next tutorial. Okay, let's add the author's name. Please, if there's anything you did not understand, or if there's anything you don't understand as you're watching this video, please do well to ask me questions in the comment section, or you point it out. Then I will make a video particularly for that. I'll make a video just to answer that question or solve that puzzle. Okay, this is good. Let's repeat the title on the spine. So you can see we are not using too many fonts in this video. So far, I think it's about 4 fonts. So I don't like to design with too many fonts. 1 or 2 or 3 is okay. Aside from the one we use on the hand symbol, Trajan Pro, it would have been 3 fonts only. But it's still not bad. Use the font size. Use Myriad Pro. Hold on it. So the author's name and the text title is always on the spine as well. If the book has spine, this is a big text, so it has spine. And also we included other shapes in this design. We borrowed from ellipse tool and polygon tool where we carved out triangle from it. So here is our text. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.